All right, what up, y'all? So I got this Challenger in. I'm about to wrap this one some sort of black, but I gotta take this middle piece off. And I made a video before, and because I forgot how to take this off, I went and watched the other video, but I realized I could do the video a little bit better. So here we are. But all we got is so right here, it was a T15 Torx here and on the other side. So took those out, so these are right here. Put these down in here. Then you got 4 of these things, which are here, 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 and here. So those just twist out. Then Pro Tool, these 2 push-in things, they were right here, so they were in like that. So you pop these out. It's those 2. This piece is supposed to pull, I think, back. Yeah, I think this pulls straight back. Let me see, I'm gonna pause you for a second and use my other hand. All right, had to do a little force, but you see, this is how this goes. So this is like so. This pulls straight down in this direction, like that. And once you got that, there's supposed to be another Torx in here. This one doesn't have it, so it might not have it over here either. But same deal. Again, let me pause you for a second, use my other hand. All right, so I'm back. Again, this one is missing the Torx screw that's supposed to be here, but this should be another T15. So once you got all of that done, this should just pull out and should just pull out. And it might have some, might be some snaps or something in here too. So let me, again, lay down, pull this with 2 hands, and be right back. All right, I'm back. So like I said, I just took a little tug. So once you get that, then this is out. You got this plug right here. You unplug that and everything is done and you're ready to go. So now that I got this out, I can take the spoiler off and get ready to wrap this trunk. So that's what we on. Stick around, you see the rest of that. But that's it. Hope this is helpful. Catch y'all later. Just to update, I really didn't even have to take this middle piece off to get this spoiler off. It's just a screw on the end, push-ins, like 4 push-ins, and then just a bunch of thick pieces of 3M and the wire for the camera. So, but yeah, could have did this without taking the light off, but you know, whatever. Had to take it off anyway just to make sure I get these edges tucked good. But yeah, just so you know, these patches of 3M are strong, so look out for that. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this one. I'll catch y'all later.